If you watched this far and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll deal with the other end of the wire later. For now, let's move on to making the handle of the welding machine. All we need to do is drill a hole just right on this PVC pipe, then screw in the threaded part of the spark plug, and it's good to go. To secure the spark plug assembly and the wire into the drilled hole, I'll insert the remaining end of the wire first, then screw in the threaded part of the spark plug. After securing the spark plug assembly and the wire, I then connect the remaining end of the wire to the crocodile clip. Doing it in this order keeps things neater and prevents any obstruction.